Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to present about my project that is Kodular Radio Online. So in this second project, we use Kodular Creator and we have a lot of stuff that's going on in here. So first things first, I'm going to explain to you the UI. So let me just do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and let's look the viewer. Now, so first things first, in here we have a uh, a horizontal arrangement here. In its properties, I sent it right and then center. So horizontally it's right and then vertically it's center. But in here, I'm using as the UI is Microsoft Surface 3 because if I were to use something smaller like this, like Samsung Galaxy S9, uh, the elements in the bottom will not show. So yeah. Now let's get on into the bottom here. We have spacing. I set it to 9px for the height, and then the width is just automatic because I don't need the width. And then we have here a image property, and the image is inside a card view holder. Let me just click the card view holder. So it's inside the card view holder. The image I just set it to 250px to match the card view holder, and the common properties of the card view holder I just keep basic. And probably I would change this one right here. Let me just change it. So it's center and top. And now in here on the bottom, we have another space, which the same 80px. And then in here, we have horizontal arrangement, and we have two labels in here and a slider. A slider. This thing is just to, how do I say this, to mock the duration slider that you usually see in a Murata radio or something. And this is your horizontal arrangements, which I put inside the repeat button, the pause button, the play button, the stop button, and the shuffle button. And in here we have another horizontal arrangement, which looks a little bit messy, but I promise you in the app later it will not be this messy. So in here we have image, but you cannot see it, and then we have spacing here, and then we have a vertical arrangement to arrange our text here. Quran Surah Al-Fatiha, and then the Sheikh Mishai bin Rashid. And now let's get on to the blocks. So in here we have the screen one blocks. This is just addition for my own personal value. So this is the main code. This code here right here is addition. And so when screen one is initialized, do set player one. So player one invisible is the invisible in the UI, but if you put player one and then you make it the source, and then you need to source it from here, mp3. So Mishori Fatiha mp3. So when screen one initialize, set player one, which is the audio player, source to Mishori Fatiha mp3. And then when the button play was clicked, it would do call player one that we already set right here into play into start, and then we will call notifier one, which I already put, show alert notice radio started. So when this button play is clicked, they will call the player one, and then it will start the Murata, and then it will call notifier, and then it will notify you that the radio has started. And this is basically just repeated code for except on the bottom here, pause, click, call player pause, call notifier show alert is the same thing. And then this one is stop, click, call player one, stop. It means the Murata will stop completely, and then it will call notifier show alert radio stop. Now this is the tricky one. this is the repeat button. This is the repeat button. So the repeat button, when you click the repeat button, it will call it stop, and then it will call notifier 1 and show alert notice repeat. So basically it will stop it, and then it would say repeat, and then it will start again. Why? Because it's repeating. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's all for the code. I'm going to show you the UI of the Radio Murotal or Radital. In here I shorten it up in this next session. Thank you. Okay, so this is the demo. First, you gotta open Codular Companion, and then wait, I'm opening the Codular test here. Wait. Click scan QR code, and then scan the QR code. And here it is, the Radio Murotal, as you can hear.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
The radio is stopped.
أعوذ بالله من
And all the
الشيطان
feature is working here. Pretty good.
الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله.
Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.